Now to start a business, third question is there. What is third question? Third question is there. To start a business, Salaka has taken a loan of rupees 8,000. Okay, at a rate of 10 1/2 per PCPA. Okay, 10 1/2 मतलब 11 10 टू ज़ा 21/2 PCPA मीन्स ये 21.2 या फिर आप यूँ भी कर सकते हैं 10.5 PCPA पर एनुअल के हिसाब से रेट से उसने क्या किया, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट के रेट से उसने क्या किया, लोन लिया. ही हैज़ टेकन बिजनेस लोन. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर 2 years हाउ मच कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट विल सी हैव टू पे. 2 साल के बाद उसको कितना कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट देना पड़ेगा. क्लियर. ओके, सो नाउ compound interest formula we will apply and we can find out clear how much compound interest we have to pay. So first of all what I am telling you, okay, so you find out the first is what, principal. So whatever data is given that you write. Principal is how much given, principal is given, that is 8,000 rupees. Okay, and rate of interest how much given, rate of interest is given 10 1/2 PCPA. Clear, is equal to 10.5 PCPA. Clear. Duration n is equal to what, 2 years. Okay, so now A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole power n. Okay, so therefore A is equal to P is how much, 8,000. Clear, into 1 plus R is how much, 10.5 upon 100 whole power n is how much, that is 2. Okay, so therefore A is equal to, we put it whatever the value is given. Okay, P प्रिंसिपल कितना है, प्रिंसिपल इज 8,000, तो हमने P के प्लेस पे हमने 8,000 रख दिया. 1 प्लस R इज वाट, 10.5, सो 10.5 अपॉन 100 इन प्लेस ऑफ n व्हाट इज देयर, 2 years है ना, तो हमने 2 रख दिया. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड आउट अमाउंट, मीन्स हाउ मच ही हैव टू पे, टोटल अमाउंट. Okay, how much he have to pay total amount at the end of year. Okay, at the end of 2 years. Okay, so total amount first of all we will find out, then amount minus principal if we are doing, then we will get the interest. Clear. So then after what is there, 8,000 into 100 ones are 100, 100 plus 10.5, so 110.5 upon 100 into 2 times is there na, so 110.5 upon 100. Okay, so you will get the value. Okay, so now therefore A is equal to how much, 8,000 into 110.5. so देखिए 0 0 cancel, 0 0 here cancel. Okay, and one more 0 is there, cancel, so you getting what, 8. Okay, so A is equal to, ये लाइन आप कट कर दीजिए. Okay, therefore A is equal to, here is what remaining, 8. So A is equal to 8 into 110.5, 110.5 into 110.5 divided by what, nothing, downside, 1 0 is there. Okay, so upon 10. Clear? Okay. Now if you solving this after multiplication and division by 10, so you will get what? You will get value. ये अगर आप टोटल इसका मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, so you will get what? Therefore a is equal to 9768. Okay, 2. Clear? This is the total amount. Clear? Whatever amount you will get, this will be amount. Okay, now you have to get what? Compound interest. Therefore compound interest CI is equal to what? Amount minus principal. Okay, so amount is how much? Amount is how much? That is 97,682. Okay, sorry, this is not the amount, upon 10 is there. Clear? So total you will get how much? Is equal to, if you dividing by 10, so answer will be what? 9768.2. Clear? So this will be amount. Okay, now compound, but you have to find out compound interest, and you know compound interest is equal to what? Amount minus principal. So therefore compound interest how much? Compound interest is equal to, therefore compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is what? 9768 minus principal is what? 8000. Clear? Because 8000 was principal. So what you get? If you will subtracting, so you will get 1768. Sorry, here 0.2 also. Okay, so you have to write in accurate. Okay, so then after what you will get? After subtracting, you will get the final value, and that is the is equal to 1768. Okay, this will be final answer. Okay, so answer will be what? Salaka will have to pay compound interest rupees 1768.20. Okay, after 2 years. Clear? So that much the amount they have to give. Okay, as compound interest. Now compound interest can be calculated after the 6 monthly also. Okay, 6 monthly also, quarterly also. So this is the depends on the complicated question how this is there. Okay, now you are going to learn. So first आपका it's being completed 14.1 exercise being completed practice set. Now you have to start practice set 14.2. Okay, for the 14.2 there is what? Application of the application of formula. Application of formula. ओके, तो एप्लीकेशन ऑफ फार्मूला ये आपका हो जाएगा। ओके, फॉर द compound interest, so we have to do application. So where there it's being applicated this formula, ये formula कहाँ पे application किया जाता है? where there population related question. ओके, तो कहाँ पे होता है ये? this is in the population related question, and also depreciation and increase of the price. Okay, price or population related question. Okay, so in that this type of formula being used. Okay, in solving population related sums and population related sums and appreciation and depreciation. Or prices. Clear? So in this type of or population related question or something, what is the increasing after 2 years, okay, or before 2 years, so we apply this compound interest. Now practice it 14.2. okay, so practice set 14.2. okay, so what is the question? First question is here. First question आपका क्या हो जाएगा? that it is given on the construction work of a flyover. एक flyover है, उसका construction चल रहा है, flyover bridge. okay, flyover bridge is there and construction work is going on. There were 320 workers initially वो यहाँ पे कितने थे? 320 workers were there. The number of workers were increased by 25% per year. okay, 25% workers जो हैं everywhere they be increasing. okay, find the number of workers after 2 years. ओके, तो 2 साल के बाद नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स कितना हो जाएगा, ये आपसे पूछ रहे हैं. क्लियर? तो नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स कितना हो जाएंगे आफ्टर 2 ईयर्स. ठीक है, एवरी ईयर के एंड में कितना होता है? 25% इंक्रीज कर दिए जाते हैं वर्कर्स. तो देयरफॉर देखिए आप क्या हो जाएगा. इनिशियली हाउ मेनी वर्कर्स आर देयर? 320. ओके, तो कैन यू टेल मी what they asking? Actually they are asking after 2 years number of workers. It means they are asking amount clearly. okay, and how many workers were initially? That's being principal. okay, so P is equal to what? P is equal to number of workers initially. okay, that is how much? 320. okay, and R is how much? 25%. okay, per yearly. clear? Now come to N. N is how much? N is equal to 2 years. Okay. Now amount should be what? Amount is what? Amount is that is number of workers after 2 years. Okay. So amount, that will A is equal to number of workers after 2 years. Clear? So number of workers after 2 years. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Therefore A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole power n. Therefore A is equal to P is how much? 320 into 1 plus rate of interest is how much? 25 upon 100 whole power n. N is what? 2. Okay, for 2 years. Therefore A is equal to 320 into 1 plus 25 upon 100, that is what? 100 1 is 100, 100 plus 25, 125 upon 100 into 125 upon 100. Okay, so therefore A is equal to how much? You got upon 100. Okay, so here 1 0 is cancelled, 1 0 is here cancelled. Okay, now 15 fifths are 125, 15 fours are 100, 15. Now 5 25ths are 125, 5 twos are 10. Okay, now 2 ones are 2, 2 16s are here. Clear? So what is there? 16 into 25 into 5 upon 4. 16 into 25 into 5 upon 4. Okay. So what we getting now? 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Clear? So answer is what? 25 fifths are 125. 125 into 4 is 500. So what you getting? Therefore A is equal to 500. Clear? This is the answer. Means there will be 500 workers after 2 years. Okay. So what is the answer? There will be 500 workers after 2 years. Okay. So and this is the your full and final question completed. First question. Now come to question number second. Okay, of this chapter, this exercise 14.2. So what is the second question? Second question is there. This is also interesting question. A shepherd has 200 sheep. एक शेफर्ड है, उसके कितने हैं? 200 sheep with him. Okay. Find the number of sheep with him after 2 years if the increase in numbers of sheep is 10% every year. अगर 10% हर साल इंक्रीज होते हैं तो आफ्टर 2 years 2 साल के बाद कितने सीप हो जाएंगे? ठीक है ना? तो 2 साल के बाद कितने सीप हो जाएंगे शेफर्ड के पास? सो यू अंडरस्टूड. आप देख सकते हैं क्लियरली मीन्स कि दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन हाउ मेनी इट विल बी आफ्टर 2 years, आफ्टर 3 years. ओके, सो इट्स कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज 10 ईयर्स पहले साल बढ़ा 10%, उसके नेक्स्ट ईयर जो है फिर जो जितना टोटल हुआ उसका 10% इंक्रीज कर जाएगा। सो टोटली इट इज़ कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, इट्स नॉट लाइक सिंपल इंटरेस्ट। ओके, तो वाट एवर द अमाउंट ऑफ द फर्स्ट ईयर दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द 10% इंक्रीज इन सेकेंड ईयर। ओके, तो मतलब अमाउंट पे डिपेंड करता है बट नॉट ऑन द प्रिंसिपल। क्लियर? सो कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड, व्हाट इज देयर? P is equal to number of sheep initially. Okay, so P is equal to number of sheep initially. Okay, and R is what? R is equal to rate of increase in sheep, rate of increase in sheep. Clear? Is equal to how much? Is equal to, you can say, 8%. Okay, 8% every year. So I think it is 10%, it is given wrong, modified as sorry, no 10% here is equal to 10%. Okay, every year. Clear? Now n is equal to how much? Here n is equal to total 3 years. Clear? So it's 3 years. Time is also given. Now they asking number of sheep after 2 years. तो 2 साल के बाद कितना sheep हो जाएगा? So that will be, you can say, they are asking what? Amount. A is equal to what? Number of sheep आफ्टर 2 years. क्लियर? तो नंबर ऑफ sheep आफ्टर 2 years कितना हो जाएगा? A इज इक्वल टू P इंटू 1 प्लस R अपॉन 100 होल पावर n. क्लियर? सो A इज इक्वल टू P इंटू 1 प्लस R अपॉन 100 होल पावर n. क्लियर? So is equal to how much? P is what? Principal is how much? Principal यहाँ पे कितना है? स्टार्टिंग में कितना था? That will be principal. So starting में there were 200 sheep were there. So 200. Clear? 1 plus R upon 100. R was how many? Rate of interest? 10% increasing na. So rate of interest is what? 10 upon 100 whole power n. N is how much? 2 years. Clear? N is how much? 2 years. So therefore A is equal to 200 into 1 plus 10 upon 100. That is what? 100 1 is 100 plus 10, 110. So 110 upon 100. Okay, whole square means into 110 upon 100. Clear? So it got clear. Now, so therefore A is equal to what? 200 into 110. So now what will be there? 11 into 11. 200 into 11 into 11. This 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0. Okay, 200 into 11 into 11. 11 into 11. And these two zeros cancelled by these two zeros. Okay, clear? So upon 100, therefore A is equal to 2 into 11 into 11. Therefore A is equal to what? A is equal to how much? 11 11 is 121. 121 into 2, that is what? 242. So this is the number of sheep after 3 years. Clear? So after how many years? ये आफ्टर 2 years पूछा है, तो n इक्वल टू यहाँ जो लिखा है 3 years, दैट शुड बी 2 years. ओके, सो आई एम मेकिंग दिस क्लियरली. ओके, here also it should be 2 years. Okay, so this is what totally, this is the final answer of the sheep. Okay, so shepherd have, so answer will be what? The shepherd will have 242 sheep after 3 years. Clear? So after after 2 years. Okay, so this is the final answer. Clear? So this being completed, this answer. Now question number 3rd. Okay, so question number 3rd, that is what I am telling you. Question number 3rd is there. In a forest there were 40,000 trees were there. Okay, एक जंगल में कितना था? In a forest there were